Clemmy, are you tired? Ooh, Sienna, you got a ball. Hi, Isa. Yeah? We're going to get some balls here, or are y'all going to hog them? Oh, Kona got a ball. Good job, Kona. What do you think, Chewy? Ooh, Lulu, get it. Get it. Clementine, you didn't get a ball. Huh, Jumbo? Casey. Here we go. Who's got it? Whee! Cammy, are you getting a ball, Cammy? Ooh, we got one here. Ooh. Hey, okay, thank you. Here, let's go in the canoe. Wait. Get it, Annabelle. What do you think, Clementine? Huh? Lisa. Jacko, you got ball buddies? So you already got one in your mouth, bud. Okay. Annabelle. I know. Let's go get. They're down here now. We got to go get them. Good job, Clemmy. Hey, Clem. Good job, girly girl.